Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off your iPhone 16, 16 Plus and even 16 Pro Max using 3 different ways. So let me directly get into the first workaround. The first one is all about you have to go over here at the top and you have to continue to say icon over here at the top right, and you have to press and hold like this. Now we'll be getting an option slide to power off. Just go for the slide to power off. Now the iPhone is completely turned off. So let's move to the second method. So what we need to do is we just need to go over here in the settings, and from here you have to navigate to the General. Now from here you have to scroll down, and there is an option called Shutdown. You have to tap on this one and we have to slide this to power off. So third step is all about we have to give commands to Siri and you can turn it iPhone. So I'm going to ask my Siri to turn off. So I'm going to show you over here. That is me. Turn off my iPhone. Now they're going to ask you a question like this. So you have to go for power off. So right now as you can see the iPhone is completely turned off. So these are the 3 different ways you can turn off your iPhone, and I hope this video is helpful. So see you in the next video. Bye.